So you're one of the new rookies. Yes, that's right. And I don't have a sponsor yet. Don't worry, by the time you get a sponsor, you'll be a good racer. You really mean it? Of course I do. Do you think pairing them up is a good idea? Of course I do. They're the two race cars that know how to do that know how to race. Well, if you need anything, then fuck my ass. Oh no no no! What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no no! No no! No 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 no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh. Oh look, they just look. They kidnapped the Ken's fidget spinner. So who is making sushi? Oh, so that's good with me. Those burgers that we had last time has to be racing at 3 p.m. Huh. Well, tell me about it. I'm hungry. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. What what was that? Who's ready to race? I am. Well, we'll start racing in a couple of. We'll start racing in a few weeks.